If your stress feels like a heavy weight, you're not alone. Let's lighten the load together. Imagine sinking into a gentle massage, your muscles unwinding with every touch. Chiropractic sessions aren't just about adjustments. They're a journey to tranquility. Picture a serene room, soft music playing, and skilled hands working to release your tension. As you breathe deeply, you feel the stress melt away. Each session is a step toward a calmer, more relaxed you. Give yourself the gift of peace. Embrace the magic of chiropractic care. Your body and mind will thank you.